In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art. Let's create a simple star. If you don't have this menu item, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. In edit mode, Ctrl+R to add 25 loop cuts. Let's create a curve point. Please remember to click the 3D button, and type E to extrude like this. Type A to select all, V to set the handle type, and A to smooth it. Let's add a curve modifier. S and Z to scale on the Z axis, and G and Z to move on the Z axis. Ctrl+3 to subdivide. The tips of the mesh are not sharp, but that's okay for now. We're not going to include them in the final render, but if you want them to look sharp, please add loop cuts near the end. If you want a shade smooth, please apply it after applying the modifiers first. I'll add a metallic material. We need to duplicate them by using a Shift-D shortcut. Please apply the modifier for the duplicate one, and then rotate and scale it. The idea is to duplicate, rotate, increase the mesh size, and move it to the back. Finally, we can add some point lights. I think the scene is a bit too bright. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.